Welcome to TrueRight. Today we're going to learn about source of life. Water is a source of life. There is no evolution which could have happened without water on earth. Now, an obvious question that would strike most of your mind is, how did we end up with so much of water that we practically call Earth, the blue planet? Well, the origin of water on still remains a debatable. Some scientists claim that water was already present on the material that formed Earth, whereas several other scientists claim that collisions with asteroids and comets are that which brought water to the Earth. Nevertheless, it is stated that only after billions of years, life on Earth got started, or we can say originated on it. Life for which water was absolutely essential. Studies so far have shown that the first life on Earth originated in oceans, in abundant water. However, recent research counters it, and that it was not the oceans but the first life should have formed on the geothermal ponds on the Earth's surface. Now, be it the oceans or the geothermal ponds on the land, the life could not have originated without water. And this is because water provided a fluid medium for the first organism to develop, move, and absorb nutrients. Organic chemicals could build up in water, which then assembled into simple cells. These cells eventually develop into complex organisms that we see around today. And the most complex organisms that's developed where the humans evolved over time, they hunted and gathered in tiny groups for food and shelter, eventually settling down to create a civilization of their own. And here again, water played a crucial role. For instance, societies settled near water sources like rivers, where they had abundant water for drinking, domestic purposes, and agriculture. Civilizations like the Indus Valley even had advanced water supply and sanitization systems. And here comes the interesting part: water has also inspired us to think life outside of our own planet. For instance, take a look at this. That is a cold red we are looking at. India spent about $75 million to send Mangalyaan to Mars, explore its surface, features, morphology, and so on. A recent NASA project sent on $850 million InSight lander to Mars. But why do you think that we are spending millions and millions of dollars on planet like this, which look like this? I mean, Mars looks nothing like our beautiful Earth, with grasslands, forests, and deserts, lakes. In addition to it, Mars has only 1/3 the gravity of Earth and a much thinner atmosphere. It's like at least 100 times thinner than the Earth's atmosphere. So that already it takes difficult to breathe out there, right? But makes things worse that thin atmosphere consists of 96% carbon dioxide, making the air completely unbreathable. In addition to that, it takes at least 6 to 8 months to reach Mars. So, what exactly are we trying to do here? Even though the huge differences that we listed between the Earth and Mars, now do you know what is that one consistency that Mars has that no other planets has? Mars has been the only planet in the entire solar system with a relatively hospitable environment. But more importantly, we are exploring Mars because water is present there. Yes, the same water that sprinkles life on Earth. And from our experiences on Earth, we can say that as long as there is water in some traces, life can be possible there. Now, it doesn't matter if it is boiling hot or freezing, we can always find some sort of life thriving there. Fortunately, even though Mars looks like a huge desert, evidence shows that it has water present in it. The rovers that we sent to Mars to explore its features shows that the Martian soil can contain up to 60% of water. In addition to that, the geological features indicate that water flowed on the Martian surface millions of years ago. And interestingly, scientists suspect that a huge amount of water is locked underground. And last but not the least, just like the Earth, Mars also has polar ice caps that primarily consist of water ice. So, as you can see, it's only the water which gives us a hope of colonizing another planet. But we don't just need water, we need oxygen to breathe, food to eat, several other things which at the moment seem quite challenging to solve. Therefore, scientists also across the world are brainstorming to figure out solution to these problems. But yes, it is quite possibility that a future generation would soon find a way to Mars. And like as I said, the inspiration to all of these whole adventure was availability of water. A possibility that life existed on Mars several millions years ago. And that's what keeps us going back there again and again. So you can see how important water is for the existence and pursuit of life. Clearly, no life would have existed even on Earth without water. And our Earth would have remained just another cold, bleak planet in the vast expanse of the universe without water. See you in the next video. If you have liked this video, do not forget to like and subscribe this channel so that you do not miss on any of these videos. Keep learning. Here in Turite, we believe that every child is unique, and to help you more with this, we have come up with a free counseling session to help you succeed. Are you worried about scoring less marks in exams? Or are you worried about focus, study hours, consistency? Then all you need is a free counseling session from us. To book a free counseling session with us, all you need to do is type www.turight.com. That's right, turight.com. And as you enter into the website, you get a window where it is being written as free session. You just need to enter your details and you're all set to go. Not only that, Turite also helps you in public speaking, communication, and makes you unique and different from others. Register today to get started.